Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial 3 different ways to migrate your spreadsheet on the numbers application from one folder to another on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the numbers application as well as the terminal command prompt, which are both built into the Mac computer. We can now start this tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the numbers application, which I'll see on screen. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, let's now go to File, go to Open. That should pop up with the desktop. If not, let's navigate to the desktop, go to Work.Numbers, click on Open. And now this will open up the spreadsheet within the numbers application. So the first way for us to migrate the file from, let's just say, the desktop to the documents folder would be to navigate to File, then go to Move To. This should open up a prompt on screen where desktop or another folder, let's just say Documents. Go to Move. And now the spreadsheet itself has jumped from the desktop all the way to the documents folder. Now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to the Find application, and there we have it. Work.Numbers is within the documents folder on screen. There we go. Let's now close Finder for the moment. Now let's close the numbers application for the moment. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Let's go to the Find application where we have the documents folder open up on screen. Take that Work.Numbers and now drag and drop back to the desktop. And there we go. Let's now close Finder for the moment. And so the second way we can migrate the spreadsheet from the desktop to the documents folder is by drag and drop. We will now go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, and we can now drag and drop, right click, clean up, and there we go. What we cannot do is, let's just say we have the Work.Numbers spreadsheet open up on screen and then we drag and drop to another destination that will corrupt the file, as then we cannot save anything again as the file pathway has moved. So now let's quit Finder for the moment. So the next way to migrate, let's just say, the numbers spreadsheet from the desktop to the documents folder is using the terminal command prompt. So now I'll go all the way down to the dock. Again, go back to Finder, drag from documents to desktop as we want to reverse that process. Let's now quit Finder. Now let's go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for the terminal command prompt. There we have it. Open up the terminal command prompt. Now let's increase the size of the terminal window. ls. Let's navigate within the desktop. cd desktop, semicolon ls to list the content on screen. Let's now migrate the Work.Numbers spreadsheet from the desktop to the documents folder. If I now go all the way onto the dock, again go to the Finder, decrease the size of the Finder window on screen so we can then see what's happening in real time when we see the jump occur from the desktop to the documents folder. MV Work.Numbers, and now we need a file pathway, which is /users Computer Science Videos documents, enter, and there we have it. The jump from the desktop to the documents has occurred. We can now change directory, exit the terminal, quit the terminal, go back to Finder, increase the size of the Finder window, and now let's drag and drop from the documents to the desktop. And there we go, quit Finder. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.